Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to password protect USB pen drive using Bitlocker in Windows 10. USB flash drive has the advantage of convenient portability and small size but big capacity, so it is an ideal tool for people to store, secure, share, transfer and backup data. If you store many crucial and valuable files or some private information in your USB drive, you'd better to learn to how secure it so that you can prevent it from unauthorized access by other people. Using a password to protect your USB flash drive is a good choice. Here you will learn how to password protect a USB drive with Bitlocker on Windows 10. First, connect your USB flash drive to your Windows 10 computer. Access this PC or press Windows +E button, find your USB drive, right-click it and then select Turn on Bitlocker on the drop-down menu. Then you will come to choose how you want to unlock this drive action box, check Use a password to unlock the drive, enter your password to protect your USB drive and re-enter it for verification, and then click Next button. You will be asked to choose a way to back up your recovery key in case you forget the password. You are given 3 options, and they are saved to your Microsoft account, save to a file and print the recovery key. Select one and then click Next button to continue. In the interface of choose how much of your device to encrypt, you have 2 choices, including encrypt use disk space, faster and best for new PCs and drives, and encrypt entire drive, slower but best for PCs and drives already in use. Click Next to select the default one. Under the Choose which encryption to use, select Compatible mode, best for devices that can be moved from this device, then click Next. Click Start encrypting to encrypt this drive. This will take some time to complete. Once the encrypting process is done, a message will pop up and remind you that encryption is complete. You can see now that USB drive has padlock logo in the side and it's open. You can remove the USB now. After reconnecting the USB drive, you need to enter the password to open. Let's give some try. I will unplug the USB, then plug it again. Here, it's requesting a password. Now I will enter the password just created. Now the padlock logo is opened and it's ready to use. To remove the drive encryption, use these steps. Right-click on the drive you want to disable encryption. Click on Manage Bitlocker. Under the drive options, click on Turn off Bitlocker. Next, a confirmation dialog box will pop up, click Turn off Bitlocker to confirm this action. Once you complete the steps, the decryption process will begin, and it will take some time to complete depending on the amount of data. This covers encrypting USB pen drive using Bitlocker in Windows 10. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.